Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I've got a very special product to show you all. It's a helmet guys, but this is just not any other ordinary helmet you would normally see. It's a hands-free helmet. Now this was sent by Steelbird. This is their brand new SBA1HF helmet. The special thing about this helmet is it's got built-in speakers, a microphone, and just by connecting your phone to it via wire, you can directly answer to calls, get GPS navigation voice commands, and also listen to music on the go without touching your phone. Like how cool is that? I'm super excited to unbox and check it out. So let's get started with the video. I want to thank Steelbird for sending me this product for review, and I'll be using this helmet on my KTM Duke 390. This helmet comes in different color, but I hope this one is in white color because it matches with my bike. Let's unbox it and check out the color. I'm really excited for this. Here we go. Oh. Okay guys, we've got some books at the top. Let me just keep them aside. And at the top we've got an extra spare visor. It's a transparent scratch resistant visor. Okay, now let's check out the helmet. Oh, here it is. Comes nicely packed. Steelbird's brand new SBA1HF helmet. Luckily we've got the dashing white color. Wow, looks very nice. Whoa. Alright, now what I'll do is, I'll give you a closer look at the helmet and tell you about its build quality and all of its special features. So this is how Steelbird's new SBA1 hands-free helmet looks like. It's got an Italian design and comes in 3 colors, black, white and red. I've got the dashing white model. So on the front, it's got a scratch-resistant polycarbonate smoke visor and has a lot of air intakes on the helmet. There's an adjustable air intake on the chin guard and 2 more air intakes on the front and the top area. The top air intake is also adjustable. You can open or close it using the slide switch. And below that, you've got the Steelbird HF logo in metal. Looks very nice. And talking about the visor has a new quick release mechanism. It's very simple to remove it and replace it with the other transparent one. So with the helmet, you only get one visor, either this one or the other transparent one, depending on your choice. The visor movement is also nice. It's got 5 steps and I really like the smoke finish on it. Now talking about the looks, the helmet has a decent look. It doesn't look that flashy, so it's good for people of all age groups. But I would have loved to see some models with graphics and artworks all over it because I feel it's a bit too simple for me. And this is how the helmet looks from the backside. It's got this nice race car inspired design with 2 air vents at the back. The upper part of the helmet uses a system called as air booster ventilation system to maintain good circulation and airflow on the inside. The SBA1HF is also ISI certified and also has one more metal Steelbird logo at the back. It's also not that heavy in the hand, and talking about the build quality, the shell of the helmet is entirely made of high impact ABS material and has multi-layer thermocol on the inside, that too of different densities like both high and low densities to provide maximum safety to the rider. Coming to the finish, as you can see in the video, it's got a beautiful matte finish on the top. I've told you guys earlier that this is a hands-free helmet, right? It comes with built-in stereo speakers and their position is also adjustable using these Velcro extenders. Now let me give you an inside look of the helmet. The interior looks pretty good. It's got this black and blue color combination, has a micrometric buckle meeting all European standards, and is super simple to use. You can open it very easily just by lifting the buckle with one hand. Super convenient and high quality. Even the straps have this nice padding on both the sides to offer good comfort while wearing. The overall cushioning on the inside is nice, it's soft and spongy and offers comfortable experience to the rider. The padding used here is multi-pore breathable padding to maintain good airflow and doesn't cause too much sweat. Coming to the chin guard, there's quite a lot of space here and your chin is directly exposed to this plastic part just like most of the helmets. The SBA1 also comes with a special detachable mini pouch attached to the strap. Now you might be very curious to know what's in this pouch, right? Well, let me open it and show you. You get a free 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. You just need to connect it to the helmet from your phone and you're good to go. Now let me show you where and how to connect that audio cable. You see these headphones logo here on the left side of the helmet? This is where you need to connect it. You've got an aux port and a multifunction button beside that. So by connecting that audio cable here, you can listen to songs, answer phone calls, and also get GPS navigation commands on the helmet itself. That is so awesome. The quality of the button is also good, feels tactile and clicky. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put on the helmet and tell you about the comfort and the looks. The Steelbird's SBA1HF helmet comes in two sizes, 580mm which is the medium size and the other is 600mm large size. Mine is the 580mm model and fits perfectly on my head. It's not too loose or too tight, it's just the right size. The cushioning on the inside is also good, makes you feel comfortable even on the neck. And talking about the looks, it goes well with my Duke 390 and looks pretty decent. Also, if you have glasses, you can just put them on comfortably through the helmet. I faced no issues using my spectacles with the helmet. Now let me tell you about the vision and how it feels while using on the road. The SBA1HF has a wide cutout so you can easily see the entire road on the front as well as the sides. The coverage was good, there was nothing obstructing your view, and the visor I was using was a smoked one. It was good for daytime riding, cuts down all the bright light and keeps cool on the inside. They act just like sunglasses. But I would not recommend this visor for night riding, as the visibility gets reduced during low light situations. If you're a person who's driving a lot during night time, then I would suggest you to go with the transparent visor only. The air circulation in the helmet was also nice while riding. Okay, so now let's talk about those special hands-free features. A lot of people use earphones while driving to answer calls or get navigation commands. But using earphones with a regular helmet is really difficult because those helmets are not made for that purpose. And that's why, to overcome that problem, Steelbird has made this new hands-free helmet that not only comes with stereo speakers but also has a built-in microphone. Now that is what I call awesome. You just need to connect the provided 3.5mm audio cable from the helmet to your phone and you're good to go. By pressing the button on the side, you can answer or end calls, play pause music, all that even without touching your phone. That is very useful. Now let me tell you about the audio quality on the built-in stereo speakers. The audio quality was pretty good, the mids were crisp and clear, the treble quality was nice, but there was very less bass in it. Considering the size and the design of the speakers inside, you can't expect much. But again, on the overall, the audio quality was pretty decent. There was very less distortion even at max volume. I've tried different phones with the helmet and got pretty much the same result. But the thing I was really surprised was with the call quality. The call quality experience on this helmet was very good. I could clearly hear the other person on the speaker and the microphone quality was also great. Also, one more thing guys, I would advise you not to answer phone calls while driving. For your own safety, always stop somewhere, finish talking and then continue driving. So that was my video on the Steelbird's new SBA1 hands-free smart helmet. It's a super useful helmet and I felt it's great for city riding. The build quality is nice, the air ventilation inside is good, offers great comfort, and the best part is its hands-free features. I've been using it a lot for getting navigation voice commands. It was working great for that purpose. The only thing I felt was the company should have provided more color options and designs. You know, like cool graphics and modern artwork. That would have stepped up the game. Rest everything else was fine. This helmet costs around 2,589 rupees. So instead of buying a regular helmet around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees, you could add 1,000 rupees more and get this smart hands-free helmet. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.